How to make our day useful. Wake up early, brush your teeth, and have breakfast. Wear your clean clothes. Prepare your school bag with the books and tools needed for the school day. Work hard, share information with your friends, make good friends, and stay away from harmful friendships. Learn about the important characteristics of educational curricula. Perform experiments and learn the characteristics of science in all its fields in order to benefit society with your knowledge. After the end of the school day, returning home and eating lunch, finish your homework, understand it, and memorize it well. After that, take time to have fun, but do not spend time on it. Rather, focus your attention during fun time on what develops our intelligence and does not affect our studies. In the end, we can read a useful story from which we learn a new skill or trick that we use in our daily lives. At the end of the day, after eating dinner, brush your teeth and go to bed until your mind and body regain their activity again. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel and click like for more useful information for children.